Hey guys, welcome to an Animal Jam video. It is me, your best friend, that weird gotcha tuber. And today I'm gonna be trying to look for some epic role plays that I could do. So, yeah, let's just see how much people like my new look. Let's just go in here. Oh, no one's here to witness me, my beautiful flamingo self. Oh my. Anyways, so while I'm trying to look for some people who want to be my friend, I just want to say something. The reason why I'm not doing a gotcha videos, it takes a long time to make gotcha videos. It's very, very stressful. So I can't really do them as much. But if you want more Animal Jam videos, then you can definitely take a look at my if you want more Animal Jam videos, what am I saying? Then you could definitely leave a like on this video. That would help me a lot. If you also subscribe to my channel, that would help me too. If you want more of these videos, then you could comment down below. But anyways, you probably want me to stop talking and go to the video. So let's start. Okay, let's start this epic roleplay. So, I need a mom. What is this guy saying? What? Okay, anyways. We need some epic role plays to do. So while these people are doing their business, let's see. Pokemon Center at my den. That looks interesting. I used to play Pokemon a lot. I still have my Nintendo with all my Pokemon games. I used to collect Pokemon cards, but now I don't really have them because I moved and I don't have them anymore. Anyways, sorry if there's some background noise. Fire. Oh my gosh. I am your trainer, so you have to respect me. I am your trainer. Yep. I want to have this, that whatever this Pokemon is. No. What? And I am your trainer. I am a trainer. No. Bad boy. I am your trainer. Yes, me. I am the queen. You are a peasant. Anywho, let's see what else. Oh, I see oh my gosh, is that a shiny Eevee? I've always wanted one of those. OMG. My goodness, Eevee. Is that you? Be mine, please. Okay, let's like Eevee. Okay. Anyways, well, since this Eevee is just saying Eevee and not talking to me, throws Pokeball at Eevee. I need to. Don't you like throw balls at them and then you get them as your Pokemon? I don't know. Gets out. Eve. I remember like I've watched the series. I watched it on Netflix. But like, what's it called? There was one of the girls. I believe her name was Serena. She had like an Eevee that evolved into Sylveon. Anyways, but it was so. She would always say like Eve and like evil or something like that, and it was so creepy. I'm gonna try to make friends with the Eevee. Let me buy a fox. Yes. Quick, no, Rad, clever, Rose. Oh, looks like I'm Rad, Chunky Rose. Let's make ourselves look a little bit more like Eevee. Okay, let's make Let's befriend the Eevee. I want to make friends. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have deer fur. I think that's what she has on her thing to make her chest look a little puffier and cuter and easier. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna wear this one and like make it a lighter brown, so I'm like a little bit of a better Eevee. I like these eyes. Now these eyes are amazing eyes. Okay, let's find the Eevee. Where's the Eevee? I found her and her friend, I think. Eve. Eevee. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay, yeah. Eevee. Goodness. Okay, you guys can watch our epic roleplay. Let's, Eevee? Yes. I'm gonna say Eve or something. I don't know. Eevee. Yeah, Eevee. Looks at new Eevee. I am Eevee. I look like a nice Eevee. I look like a chunky. Oh, goodness. Right now I would be playing with my dog right now, or like trying to make a Gacha Life series, but instead of playing Animal Jam, next video we'll make a video of me and my friend playing Animal Jam. Says in Pokemon way hello back. Okay. But if you want videos of me and my friend, her channel is Gacha Kitty. We could do some Animal Jam, or we could do some what's it called? Eve. Okay. Or you could do some role play. I don't know. We play Animal Jam mostly. Not mobile Animal Jam. That sucks. Anyways. I'm gonna do like a little face. Eve with a little cute face. Fight me then. Oh, you wanna go? Gives Eevee's berries. Okay. A few berries, not just one berry. A few. I'm trying to scream, but I can't really. Eve. Battle shiny Eevee. It's a battle. I'm hiding. I don't like battles. I will die in the process of a battle. Use a Swift on Ferna. You go, girl. Hit you with that. Hello, currently you just watched the battle between Eevee and, the trainer who wanted Eevee. I hope you read all that, because I didn't want to read all that, because I don't like Pokemon battles. Anyways, where is my Eevee friend? I don't know, honestly, where she is. Oh, I see her little icon, she's over here. Oh, she's running. Okay, yeah. Oh, she's just standing there. Okay. If you want to friend me, by the way, my username is Juliana Kitchen. Yeah, anyways. Where are my Animal Jam peeps at? Pets. I meant Pat's out of breath. Sorry, can't really read. Piplup, catches Shiny Eevee. This guy is basically like breaking roleplay. She's like saying like, gets out, but he's still like trying to catch her. Anyways, Yeet uses tail and hits Pokeball back at trainer. Rose again. My goodness, this guy is amazing. Anyways, my dog is at the doctor. Currently, while I'm playing, doing this voiceover and stuff, it's currently 10:52, and she comes out at 4, and then I'm gonna go look at some dogs. Why is there nothing moving? Anywho, yeah, guys, you guys are gonna have to watch the rest of this. Just gonna speed through it. Literally my screen is frozen, but you guys can watch this. I'm just gonna see you at the end. Hey guys, at the ending, yay! So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to friend me on Animal Jam, my username is Juliana Kitchen, JulianaKitchen. Send me a jamagram or maybe like friend request me. And if you've watched this video, just comment down below. And if you have an Animal Jam account and you watch this video, then comment down below. But if you don't play Animal Jam, that's fine. Absolutely fine with me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I might be doing a giveaway live stream, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. See you in the next video. My Pink Animal Jam on Roblox. Bye.